This will be for string riding on a SQ2, Q2, ones that use the slim straight line cam. You start here at the post, right here. The string comes around the cam, around the outside of the cam, up the bow, around the outside of the roller, the idler, through the fork, back down, and it goes through the front on the cable slide, back down around the cam. We'll flip the other side over so you can see. Over top of the cam lobe here and around, and attaches to the post right there with an S. The cable attaches right here on the same side as the string where you started. Runs through this little groove here, under the bottom of the cam on the other side, through the back of the cable slide, comes up and attaches to the post at the top on your axle. The longer side goes to the right, the shorter one goes to the left. You want to make sure that your quick disconnects are pointed down towards the cam.